Now, when we might be would have heard about UNIX and Linux, there are two things. Then what is the difference between UNIX and Linux? So, Linux operating system is generally used for personal computer, an individual person, and when I am using that will be for the Linux. So, that is what Linux computer desktop. It is also used for, so it is used for game development or embedded system and etc. whatever they say, there are so many uses are there. But where if you look at Unix, Unix is used mostly in the server side, workstation, mainframe or high end computers. The source code of Linux is available to the publicly, even we have the interface also GUI will be there, but so and the source code of Unix is not available generally publicly for the Unix. Linux is free and open source, where Unix is expensive. That is what I said. Red Hat, Enterprise Red Hat, what they did? They customized and they made their enterprise edition. So, that is not open source, that is not freely available, that is expensive. And the different version of Linux operating systems are Ubuntu, Fedora, Red Hat, CentOS. Now, CentOS is dead, it is over, their life cycle is over. Then Debian. If you talk in Unix, you have Solaris, HP, Unix, BSD, AIS. These are the different types of Unix based system, and it is used by the organization, especially those who work with the servers, workstations, mainframes or any high end computers. So, this is the normal very few difference between Linux and Unix.